Sometimes it's easy to confuse this idea of protocols and services, so let's kind of define them. A protocol is simply a set of rules used by networking software to format and move data around. That way, the software on one computer can understand the data that was generated by another computer. Services, on the other hand, are programs that run on the clients and servers to use or to listen for those protocols. Now, how does it do that? Well, it does that through a port number. So port number is used to identify a protocol so that a service knows when to respond. So let's take an example of a DHCP client here. This is a small set of the list of services on my computer. And you can see I have a service running, which is simply a program, by the way. It's a program that does not have a user interface, but it's one that runs in the background. And the DHCP client is listening for the DHCP port number traffic. And when it arrives, it knows what to do with it. So these port numbers are simply a way for the service to recognize the protocol and to be able to respond to it.